Do you have some dates and some eggs? You should make this dish. Guess in the comments which country mix eggs and dates together. First, break 2 eggs in a separate bowl. Add some salt and mix it together. Bring whatever type of dates you have at home. Bring the pit out and cut it the way you want. Heat the pan, add some ghee or some butter and add the dates. Leave the dates to fry a little bit. This way they will taste more caramelized. Don't put it on high heat to avoid burning the dates. Now it's time to add the eggs. And no problem if you want to make it scrambled, make it the way you like it. Put it on medium heat, avoid high heat, and cover it until the eggs are fully cooked. I'm adding some sesame and some honey for decoration. If you love to mix sweet and salty ingredients in a meal like me, then this recipe is for you. The dates are caramelized and the eggs is perfectly cooked. They are very suitable together. I'm surprised, but they're suitable and I will repeat this recipe. I really liked it, especially the caramelized part. Try it and let me know your opinion. صحتين هنا.